Welcome back to my channel. This is a an overview of the SpaceOne Formula 220 frame. Currently on sale for 29 bucks. So we're going to see, try to go over it. And this is actually the new version that just come out in June of 2017. So they've made a few corrections on it. Hopefully it turns out to be a good frame. Two set of stickers. Of course, you get a battery strap. Seems to be a pretty good battery strap. It's got that rubbery feel on the back of it. You know, time will tell. It doesn't look like that will be very good, but you know, we can replace battery straps. So yeah, that's pretty. I wouldn't say it's going to be that great, but all right. So you get some little. Let's get all of it laid out here. Screws, your frame, two side plates. See if you can see all that. Okay, so we got four little cushiony standoffs to put on the bottom if you need. A little sticky sticks on the bottom of the frame. Of course, we got our top plate. Two side plates for the mounting of the side of the FPV camera. This little back plate for your antenna. It doesn't feel like it's carbon. I'm not 100% sure, but I think that's the reason why they separated it, so it wouldn't be carbon. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 standoffs. Let's take a measurement of the standoffs here. 0 in the caliber out, just to see what size my standoffs are. It's one of the questions I had when I purchased it. And it looks like we've got 35 millimeter standoffs. Looks like all the screws that go in to the frame is 13.5 millimeters. The side plates that hold on the camera, they are just a hair under 2 millimeters. This little board that goes on the back of the frame here is 2.16 millimeters. Top plate, we're looking at 1.99 millimeters. Bottom plate, we're looking at 4.5 millimeters. Let's try another arm. 4.5 millimeters. Back of it, 4.5 millimeters all around. The bottom plate's level. And for the guys that may want to know just how much the bottom plate weighs, you want to do that here. Get her zeroed out there. All right. Bottom plate weighs in at 84 grams. So that's a pretty heavy bottom plate. Should offer some good protection though. Right, and then there she's all is together. If you'll notice, it has a smoothed round frame. They've smoothed all the edges. I don't feel any rough parts. Not seeing too much fiber dust coming on my hands. Seems like a well-made frame for bending. It's pretty strong. Bottom plate. I mean, I think it's a well frame for $29. Also, you will notice on here on the bottom, there are no holes cut out for the board. So I'm assuming they did that so you can put a smaller board in here. I'm not for sure, but you would just put your screws in right there between where the battery strap would go, and then they would go in that way along that slit there. I'll have to confirm that when I go to build it out. Let's get an overall weight. Looks like it's probably going to be a pretty heavy frame built out the way they have it designed. We're looking at 115 grams. So it's not a heavy frame, but it's not a light frame either. Martian's around 140 to 150. So a little bit lighter. I don't know if I'm going to build it out like this. I'm actually thinking about getting smaller standoffs, lowering the center of gravity down a little bit, and not using these side plates and doing a 3D printed mount. But if you wanted to do a 3D printed pod, I mean, this is a nice bottom plate. So yeah, that bottom plate may be worth $29 alone. So, well, there is the frame there. Let me know what you think in the comments. I wasn't able to find anybody on YouTube that had a video or any kind of with the new updated frame. So if you look at the motor holes there, they're not longer like an X. They're not cut out so much. The one thing that I'd rather had a full top plate instead of this cut out top plate, because I'm not going to use these antenna holes anyways. But other than that, looks great. So we'll see how it turns out. Well, once again, thank you very much for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful.